Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use an external button to control the LEDs, to control mutes for multiple other microphones. In this case, we have one Chairman mic that has a button that wants to mute 5 other microphones. So in your Tesira program, you can obviously do the standard programming, but somewhere just include a mute block. In this case, we want 5 channels, so it's the Chairman mic won't be muted when the buttons are pressed. We want to gang the controls together so that we have one single point of control, because one mic, one button is going to mute all of them at the same time. We definitely want to enable the logic because we want to be able to use logic to mute these. So I'm going to just start off by spacing these out to match our design. If we line that up, there's a command, a shortcut on Tesira that allows us to include or attach this block in line. If we press Control and I, you'll see that if I move the block, it moves the lines as well. Great, so then we can add a logic input. I'll send you a separate wiring diagram to connect the button to the GPIOs in the back of the TesiraFORTE. So logic input, we can put that over there. Good practice would be to include a logic meter here as well, just to show us the polarity basically of the logic, and we could swap the polarity by just clicking invert. And then finally, we're going to be driving out of a separate output, we're going to be driving the LED, supplying it 5 volts of power to basically illuminate the LED whenever this block is muted. So one channel, we enable the power outputs and we attach that to the bottom of our block. So that means that whatever is happening with the button, if the block's muted, it will still illuminate the LED ring on the button, and it will always be in phase and an accurate representation. All right, so we can just go and hit send on that. I used to have EXIO in this file, but I'm going to just skip that. Yes, okay, send update, and start audio. Okay, great. So the first thing we can do is we can see the state is on, and if I look at my button, it's not currently pressed in. So that's obviously inverted. So I'm going to swap that around. You could either change it from normally open, now it's wide at the moment at the back of the button, to normally closed, but it's just as easy to click on the software. So now the button, the LED just went off. My block is not muted. And if I press the button, it toggles the state of the logic, which then in turn mutes the mic, and then in turn illuminates my button red. Thank you very much. I'll send you the PDF for the wiring of this with this video, and hopefully that explains it to you. Thank you very much.